Welcome to Vibratech Trainers and Consultant Private Limited. We are going to see an interesting case study on fan identifying early defects, even though the vibration is well within limits. This is applicable for all types of industrial fans. Case study prepared by Vijaya Krishnan Venugopal, Director of Vibratech Trainers and Consultants Private Limited, Chennai. He is a chartered engineer with more than 35 years of experience. He is an international vibration consultant and ISO certified vibration analyst Cat 3 certificate holder. Also, he is certified maintenance and reliability professional from SMRP. Fan we are going to see are vertically mounted and driven by a VFD drive motor of capacity 200 kilowatts and 1485 rpm through the reduction gearbox of 125 rpm. The fan is mounted on steel frame at above the ground level without any anti-vibration mountings. Vibration measurements are taken in all three directions: horizontal, vertical, axial, in each locations. Measurement locations are motor non-drive end bearing, motor drive end bearing, gearbox input shaft drive end bearing, gearbox input shaft non-drive end bearing, gearbox intermediate shaft bearing, gearbox output shaft bearing. Vibration data are collected in terms of displacement in microns peak to peak and velocity in millimeters per second peak. Now onto the vibration limits. As per ISO standard and with our previous experience, when the velocity falls below 10.0 millimeters per second peak, it's considered as good. When the velocity falls between 10.0 to 25.0 millimeters per second peak, it is considered as fair. And when the velocity falls above 25.0 mm per second peak, it is considered to be rough. The vibration values are maximum at motor drive end vertical, velocity up to 6.5 mm per second peak with displacement of 62 microns peak to peak, and at gearbox output shaft axial, velocity up to 6.1 mm per second peak and displacement of 53 microns peak to peak, and the equipment falls under good category. We saw vibration levels are within limits and equipment falls on the good category, but on going through the spectrum and frequencies at motor driven end, dominant peak frequencies are 1 times 3 times and 2 times the running RPM, indicating misalignment between motor to gearbox, and spectrums at gear driven side shows the dominant peak frequencies are 1 times of running RPM and higher frequency, that indicates misalignment and gear meshing in reduction gearbox. The equipment is analyzed to have misalignment between motor to gearbox and minor meshing inaccuracies at reduction gearbox location. As per analysis, the suggested action are as follows: inspect the coupling bushes for damages, and achieve precision alignment between motor to gearbox as per engineering practices. Inspect for wear or increased backlash in gear internals, and replace the same. Carry out above inspections or rectifications in case vibration velocity exceeds 15.0 mm per second. Vibratech cater among all major industrial sectors. We conduct vibration analysis level 1 and 2 training programs online and also in plant. ISO certified vibration analyst category 1, category 2, category 3 training and examination. Services we provide are vibration analysis, in situ dynamic balancing, laser alignment, motor current signature analysis, thermography, building or ground vibration measurements. We also market and provide service for machinery vibration analyzers and meters, and low frequency building vibration analyzers.